The following is the procedure to replace the hot tank float on the Champion unit. The tools and supplies we will be using today are a Phillips head screwdriver, a new hot tank float. Make sure the unit is powered off. Remove the drip tray by pulling it straight out and setting it to the side. Remove the single Phillips head screw from where the drip tray was previously located. Unscrew the ice chute by spinning it counterclockwise. Remove the cover by sliding up and pulling towards yourself. Take care not to damage the attached wire harness. Use the drip tray as a stand and rest the front cover on it. Lift off the top cover. Remove the two Phillips head screws holding the right panel in place. They are located on the top and bottom corners of the panel. Locate the control board on the right side of the unit. Disconnect CN13 connector from the bottom right side of the control board. Thread the wire out of the electrical box so you can unscrew the hot tank float. Remove the hot tank float by unscrewing it. Install the new hot tank float. Be careful not to over-tighten it. Reroute the wire to the control board by threading it through the hole of the electrical box. Plug it into CN13 on the bottom right side of the control board. Make sure the connector is seated properly and not off by a pin. Reinstall side panels using the two Phillips head screws. Reinstall the top cover. Reinstall the front cover and secure it with the Phillips head screw. Reinstall the ice chute. Reinstall the drip tray.